Hello guys, welcome back again to the channel. So if you're joining for the first time, my name is Susan, and it has been a long time without me putting out a video out there. So today I have a should I do a thumbnail? Anyways, today I'm going to show you my monthly. Zoe, do you want a beating? Okay, so today I decided to show you our monthly groceries. When I say monthly or weekly shopping, it's not that these things are gonna be used up in a week, but we do a lot of runs, like shop runs here and there during the week. But this is mostly, we don't buy this every month, do we? Or we don't buy this every week, but so I just decided to show you like, what we buy and how much we try to save. And yeah, since we have a bigger space now, we can buy more things to store because, you know, we have a bigger space now compared to what we did before. So let's not waste too much time. Wait a minute. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do subscribe so that I can get some 6K subscribers. I need 6K subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do so. Anyways, I'm going to start with food. Okay, so maybe we can just do a quick thumbnail. Okay. Or maybe I can find something weird that I have to post with. Anyways, okay, so first I bought this. This is a new product, I think, of Namib meals. I bought a 5 kg. Yeah, it's a 5 kg macaroni, which was like 130. It was on sale, or they say it was on sale. I don't know how much it normally is since it's a new product. But that's the first thing. The other thing is that when I bake, there are some recipes that ask for butter. Of course, even if this is salted, I always tell myself, okay, so what's the difference between salted and not salted? Don't judge me. I'm a home economic teacher, but don't judge me. So what's the difference between salted and not salted? Because they'll tell you use an unsalted butter and at the same time add salt. I'm like, why didn't I just use the salted and not use salt? You know what I mean? So yeah, so some recipes ask for butter, but I had a choice of using rama, which is like bread spread, or margarine, but it doesn't just turn out the same, especially if I have to make, what do you call it? The icing or frosting and all that. So yeah, this is the real butter here, and it was expensive, $75. That's like what? 50 US dollars? 5. I'm not a math teacher, so don't quote me on that. So it's like $5, 5 US dollars, I think. The other thing is this, Rama, now the spread. They had a sale, $50 for 3. So I actually just bought 3 because we have a big fridge now, so we can put everything in there. So 3 ramas for $50, 50 Namibian dollars. Just it's 1 to 15. So 1 US dollar is 50 Namibian dollars. So $50, make your conversion. Yogurt for kids. I have the plain and also the flavored. Coconut, strawberries, and whatnot. So these are for the kids and me sometimes, of course, kids and me. Zoe, don't break my thing, okay?
I didn't break that.
I know, but don't just touch it. Some chocolate cookies. I got more chocolate cookies. I think more are hidden. That's one bag down. And soap, got some bubble stuff, Sunlight. It's the first time I'm buying it. I'm trying to try it out. sunlight bubble bath for those relaxing moments, especially after I'm done with my exams. I need to go in the bath and just got some soap or gel for Chris. For the kids, they have their bubble bath, whatever thing, but I decided to get them, is it Life Boy or Leafy Boy, whatever, soaps, dishwashing liquid, sunlight, the purple one. No, you will share, okay? Zoe is saying the purple one is hers and the blue one is yellow because she likes purple and pink. Yellow likes blue and white. So myself, I got myself some Dove. I try to use it so I can conserve my Bath and Body Works. Zoe, so I can conserve my Bath and Body Works. So these ones were on sale, like six Namibian dollars for one. So they are good. Hygiene, protection. It says it's Dettol. Don't open it. And some mouthwash. Of course, I have colics now. Though sometimes I go hungry and I'm like, oh, am I? Anyways, yeah. That's it from the soap. I got some eggs. I normally buy extra large, but they didn't have it. Some potatoes. I think I have to try cooking because otherwise these things are gonna rot. There are some times where things just go rotten because I don't really have enough time to, you know, mix these things. Milk. I got 2 milks because we still have some for the kids. So we use these for the kids just because of those vitamins, blah, blah, blah. And we have some grapes, red and whatnot. They're on sale, I think, for 30 Namibian dollars, which is what? Is it what? 2? Yeah, it's 2 US dollars. So we got 4. We got 4 because sometimes our fridge is so empty and nobody wants to go to the shop. And sometimes you just need something healthy to snack on. Nope, nope, nope. So on milk again, for coffee, we got this one. It's a box of 6. We decided to start buying 6 because it takes, we go through them so quick. We have cornstarch. There are some recipes that ask for cornstarch. So we call it corn flour in America or wherever, maybe they call it cornstarch. I got some bases. This is for beef casserole. And this one is for bolognese. So just to try out new things. I did this before, but I always try to do my things from scratch. But especially now that I'm busy, I work and all that, I try to go the fast way if I can. Some nuts and raisins, snack on. Sandwich ham. I like these Viennas. This brand is a little bit expensive, but the things are so nice. They remind me of American hot dogs. Oh, more sandwich ham. Some ginger cookies. Zoe likes ginger cookies. You just finished eating though. There are also some recipes that ask for cream of mushroom soup, so I got some cremora. Yesterday I had a recipe that was asking for cream or cremora, so I got it so that next time I try that recipe I have it. This one was a buy one get one free, so I had to get it. Get some more. They normally 20 something. So carrots. These kids love snacking on carrots. Sometimes I use them to make carrot cake. Favorite rice. Yeast for baking. tomato. I like tomato paste because when I want to make, let me say, burritos, you need the base for that, lasagna base. You need paste. I also like some sardines in hot chili sauce. I like it when they burn my mouth. Yeah. Juice, they were on sale. You buy two for 25. Yeah, so it means one is 13 or one is 12.5. So I got 4. We are not really big juice drinkers, but just more tomato paste. I also got some chocolate for baking. Sometimes recipes ask for chocolate and we don't have chocolate and it's a little bit still hard to. No, this is for baking, it's not for eating. Got some fresh fresh cream. Yesterday I had a recipe that was asking for half and half, which I could have obtained it by adding this and milk, but I didn't have it, so got some rosemary. I made some chocolate. I made some biscuits and gravy yesterday, all from scratch, and they were asking for rosemary. I didn't have any, so today I decided to get some. So I got some corn, some jungle oats for the kids. Normally, I don't like it much, but got some cheese. I always buy cheese, especially when it's a buy one get one free. Of course, it will expire by the end of next month, but it's not like it's gonna reach that far. Some canned peaches for Chris's crisp, crispy stuff he does. Some Oreos for the kids. Maybe me too sometimes. Cereal, bran flakes, and corn flakes. So the total. Wait. The total couldn't fit or what? Or they cut it off. So the total, they cut it off, but it was $2,000. So this is not the normal shopping. It's just that we needed a lot of things. So this is not the normal shopping. It's not always that we buy jungle oats. It's not always that we buy this creamer thingy, the cornflakes. It's not always that we buy potatoes. It's not always that we buy rice and what is that? Elbows. So this will take us hopefully throughout the month. So we only go to the shop to buy some small things that will get finished from the pantry and from the soap cabinets. So within the week, maybe we'll just spend 2 more thousand, maybe 1,000 this week, at least 700 next week, then the other week. So we are still working towards budgeting. We are still working towards defining our finances, on making budgets about food and all the utilities. So, but this is it for a new, it's our noon. So it's not our new normal, because sometimes I can get stingy too, So I just got paid, so. Okay, so here, this is it. I have videos that I need to edit, so I just decided to do this one. I have so much work to do for school. I just decided to make this quick video because I'm still going to mark and do the CAs. I'm behind because I just started last month and there was no teacher for a long time, so the kids are a little bit behind and I need CA marks. So yeah, I'm going to mark now. And I just made this video because it will be easier for me to edit. So you just cut, and then export and then upload. So that's it. So if you haven't subscribed yet and you're still here, please do me a favor, subscribe. I'm still aiming for 6K. Okay, I say 10K before. Okay, I'm still aiming for 10K by the end of the year. And thank you so much to those that joined my group or joined my channel as members. I really appreciate it. So until next time.